You ever sneeze so hard you call 911 with your nose? No. Then buckle up. I sneezed. Just once. And my spine said, "Peace out." Collapsed like a Jenga tower. Can't move, face down, breathing like a pancake. Doctor walks in like, "My guy, you dislocated your entire back." Huh? Turns out I've got spontaneous vertebral yeet syndrome. Yes, that's a thing. Now my sneeze has a kill count. I'm banned from weddings. Pepper? Felony. Libraries? Don't even try. They assigned me a chiropractor named Kevin. He plays Fortnite during adjustments. Sends me motivational Andrew Tate quotes. Bro, I'm not healing. I'm evolving. Like if your bones sound like popcorn. Subscribe or Kevin shows up at your door.